Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman here with today's daily dark pool whisper for June 5th, 2019. Before we get to today's hot stock picks, and trust me, I have so many today for you. I had to stop myself. I'm just going to go over yesterday's. Yesterday was another fantastic day for the whispers. We had 14% gains, 22 hit targets. Hope you got a couple of these. I was sending out push notifications on so many prints that were coming in yesterday. So I'm going to put a lot of them in today's whispers. So let's get started. Let's start with the SPY, of course. We've had a nice pull up here to this 280-212 level. So where do we go from here? Well, we're going to be bullish above 283. First target 283.26. That's an old, very big dark pool level, 35 million. So watch that level. If we do break above that, that's going to be uber bullish. And we'll watch for the real-time prints to come in today. Yesterday we had really nice ones on the QQQs. I took advantage of that. I did post that million share real-time print. So we'll see what real-time prints come in today or if we get late dark pool prints from yesterday. Bearish on the SPY below 281.50. That will be a retracement trade. Okay, retracement is back to support. Whenever we move far away from the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average, right, the more it's going to want to retrace back down to it before moving up again or moving back below it. So are we going to have a repeat of this bear flag, dreaded H pattern, right? Are we doing that same pattern? Well, we'll see. We'll just trade it level to level, seeing what prints come in here. But if we do break above this green moving average, okay, about 283.03, we could move up to these guys, 286. We'll see. We'll follow the prints. I'm going to go over the E-minis. I do have traders that are following the E-minis, and yeah, I'm going to show you what I look for. I have them up all day long. I have the futures on the E-minis. I have oil futures. I have gold futures, which are through the roof this morning, and the dollar, watching them. I use Camarilla pivots and Pivot Boss. All right, so you can see we had this high volume bar pre-market about 5:25 Eastern. And I always look early in the morning, see where the highest volume bars are, and then I map out my trade. So bullish above and bearish below. I use the Camarilla Pivot Boss pivots and Person's pivots, these dotted lines, for my targets and exits, entries and exits really. But I trade the SPY, but I watch this out of my corner of my eye all day long, and it is amazing. So I've set up some trades around that on the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 28.25 and bearish below 28.15 for a retracement trade. All right, for that. Let's go to the Qs. All right, the Qs were rocking and rolling yesterday. Today, though, 177, really key level, bullish above. I do see a little seller there right now on the ARCA book. Bullish above 177, bearish below 175. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 151.25. And I'm going to be bearish below 149.87. That is a retracement trade back down. Let's go to copper. Yep, I called out the trade yesterday on FCX. We had a 400,000 print at 10.15. So today, we really need to break above 10.50. The first time we hit there, sellers are always going to be there. Look for that second test. If we can break above that, then there's room to go up to this simple 30 moving average in orange. All right, so right now it's stuck on the green one, the simple 20. Yeah, they're like magnets and rubber bands, those moving averages. So watch that. I just want to call out JNUG for a moment, teach you a little bit. I've been trading this one in the Java pit. It's coming up to this moving average right here in gray. This is the 161 exponential moving average. Very, very popular for commodities like gold. So watch that. That should be a pretty key resistance area. If we do break above that, uber bullish. But just when you're trading gold, oil, yeah, that's really powerful. But let's just go to GDX. We had massive prints recently at 22.45, 41. Big closing print 22.49. So been bullish above that from yesterday's whisper, right? So really nice swing here. Today though, if you're not in this, 23.07 is going to be a key level. Bullish above that. We do have a big seller at 23.44 here on the books. So watch that for resistance. Let's see. Oh, going to be bearish below 22.40. If we do break below all those prints, we may come back down and test them and move up again. But if we break below that, then we'll have a retracement trade down to 22.20 around this area. Wherever this 4 EMA is, that's going to be support. And it does move. It is a moving average. Wells Fargo had a really big print yesterday. Not that much pre-market volume, but highly unusual, 900,000 print at 45.40. We are above that. But right now, bullish above 46, bearish below 45.37 if we go below it. USO pre-market volume this morning. Where are we going to go from here? Well, if we break above this 4 EMA, I'm going to be bullish above 11.25. If we go below 11, I'm going to be bearish for USO. NVIDIA had a nice print yesterday, 300,000, 141.97. That is unusual. So bullish above 147.50 if you are not in this one yet. Bearish below 145. I know that's above the print, but we could retrace. Okay, back down to the 8 EMA before we move back up again. So there is a retracement trade. Nike, wow, massive print yesterday. A lot of my pitters are in this one, including myself. We have earnings on this June 26th, I believe. Hold on, let me just double check. 27th, after the market closes. Let me just put that in here. June 27 AMC. After the market closes. This one could rally pre-earnings momentum. I would not stay. Oh, I put on the wrong one. I would not stay in this one into earnings. I love trading it pre-earnings and post-earnings. I did get into the June 21st options. Paul did also in my room. I think a couple other traders as well. And we're just going to ride this, taking profits, but definitely get out and don't pick the strike price the week of options. They're inflated IV. Again, love this. Today, bullish above 82.50. You can see there is a lot of room above these moving averages, 82.20, but 82.50 is a really key level. There should be sellers there. But there's room to go all the way up to about 83.50 before we hit some resistance on the simple 30 or 84. Again, it could rally before earnings. Let's go to Starbucks. We had a nice print on that one yesterday. Bullish above 79, bearish below 78.25. Macy's also had a big print. It has earnings June 13th, so it could be another runner before earnings. Just be careful and don't stay in it. Bullish above 21.80, bearish below 21.37. The print was at 21.49. GME, GameStop, had earnings and did not like its earnings, but we can trade this after earnings today. Bullish above 6 for a retracement trade. Let me just put that in here. And we're going to be bearish below 537. I did see a seller on the book at 598. You see him? He's still there. Big guy. Yep, that's why I'm only bullish above 6. All right, and one more snap. A lot of my traders, Jason P, Donda, rocking this in the pit. Nice job trading snap. Not an easy one, by the way. If you've traded it, you know what I'm talking about. It definitely is snappy, but bullish above 1325 today and bearish below 1287. I could go on and on. There are so many whispers today, but I had to cut it off. But I will post all of the new unusual prints that come in today all day long. My recommendation is trade yesterday's prints. They do splash, and those are your best trades. So until tomorrow, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.